Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you read the title, and today I'm going to be talking about cross stitch. So I did receive these products for free to unbox and share with you guys. This brand, the reason why I decided to collab with them is because they pretty much have like DIY project things, and for me, I think sometimes it's just cool to have something that you can do that can kind of pass time but is also therapeutic. So that's why I decided to collab with this brand. Now this brand is called Porosity VIP, and they gave me products. I got to actually select the products which ones I liked. So without further ado, let's get into the products that I received. First things first that I received was a pack of these 5 flower or roses, if you will. And pretty much, if you ever did like a DIY project, you can do them, but maybe put it on a t-shirt, a sweater, or jeans. So that's what I plan to do. I'll probably get they don't cost so much to buy them in stores, like a plain shirt, and then, iron it on. But yeah, so I got these roses. I'm trying to see if I can kind of open them so you guys can kind of see what they look like. But I think there's 5 in this pack. So this is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll show you guys so you guys can actually see the sizing of the rose. Alright, and then so I got 5 of those, and then the next thing that I got, this is actually to make a bookmark, and I decided to get this one. It says December. I was born in the month of December, so it's unique to me. And I'm going to try to get back into reading books. I just recently got another book. If you're not following my Instagram, then that's a new story, but I'll talk about that later. But, yeah, so this would be good because I always saying I need a bookmark. I used to have a bookmark that was made for me with my name when I was younger, but for some reason it got lost. That was like pretty much like a keepsake that I had for years. So this is pretty similar. Just says December on it, and so you guys can see what it would look like. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh yeah, here's the pad sitting here. So yeah, I hopefully you guys can see it, but it's like pretty much flowers, and I think this middle piece is the they call it where December is. Now they give you the pieces, so just to show you guys, because I'm new to cross stitching. Everything is pretty different. It's not like crochet. When I first saw it, I was like, this reminds me of crochet, but it's really not. And each color has different colors, symbols, and numbers. I believe they give you an instruction manual in here, so you know, but just so you guys know what comes in it. So as you guys can see, this is the piece for the bookmark. I'm guessing this is the front and the back piece that you're going to actually sew into. And then these are all the colors that is for the bookmark, as well as, oh okay, I see what they did here. So the numbers matches those colors. And then, there's a color still in here, but that's fine. There's something else in the package. I'm going to show you guys all of them. It also comes with the needle that you're going to use to sew it. I mean, not to sew it. You guys know what I mean. To get it through these holes. And I'm not too sure. This looks like a pen and a tassel. This is the tassel, I'm guessing, to hold the bookmark. So it looks self-explanatory, but if anything, YouTube is my friend, and if I have any confusions as far as placing them, but it seems pretty self-explanatory. I think the hardest part will be getting the needle, because that's always a struggle when I use any type of, when you use a needle and you're trying to get the string in through the piece. That's always like the struggle. So that's what's in this one. I just want to show you guys what you get what do you get in the packaging. And the last thing that I got This one is a little bigger. I got one a pillowcase. So I do have a lot of pillows and I love pillows. I currently have another pillow. And I think like it's a pretty cool pillow, but I may use this pillowcase that I made to put on top of that one. But anyway, so it's a bigger package. And you know I'm going to save this clear bag for what? Well, when I'm done this project, obviously, for packaging stuff. So, this one is a little bigger, like I said. So this is like, it's a flower, pretty much like a flower looking pillow. That's what this may take a little longer for me to do because the grid, as you guys can see, the grid is pretty big. But let me show you guys what's included. So that's the grid map. Then this is actually the instructions, which I needed, but these are the instructions on how to actually do it. So you know I'm going to obviously read through this, so that I know how to do this. You know, it looks self-explanatory, but you know I'm gonna get it. If anything, like I said, YouTube's my friend. So for this pillowcase, this is actually the pillowcase. You know, the pillowcase itself. So you know how you have the back part of the pillowcase. And then as you guys can see, all of these colors here, they actually have the numbers, which I like that with this one because I can actually see the numbers. It tells you 26, 26, and then it goes around and around, but it kind of tells you most of the stuff. So hopefully I should be able to get it. So as you guys can see, like I said, so if you have small pillows, this definitely would fit my pillow. One of those smaller pillows that you may use on a chair or in your bed. If you like small pillows, then it's just. Then these are all the colors, so that's a lot of colors. Like I said, it's gonna probably take me a while. These colors are all labeled, which is good. So I know which color is which. For that. And then lastly, I got these pieces. So these are different type of needles than the other one. There's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like 5 of them. And then this other piece. I'm not sure what this tool is. Again, I'm pretty new to this, but again, I will be reading the instructions. But I think that's pretty good that they give you pretty much everything that you need. As far as the materials, the pillowcase, the actual pillowcase to make it, because it is for the pillowcase, to make a pillowcase. And then they give you the grid numbers and the information. Hold on. Yeah, they give you the grid numbers. So actually, I was telling you guys about the 26 and all this stuff. But they have a bigger grid map as well here. And it kind of just shows the outline of everything. And so yeah. So I think this one will definitely take me much longer to do because I'm new to doing it. The bookmark seems like it's going to be pretty easy. But I think this pillowcase is going to take me some time. So yeah, but they should, like I said, it's embroidery, so they tell you everything and that you need to do. But before I end this video, I got a coupon code for you guys. If you guys are interested in cross stitch, if you're ready, you know how to cross stitch, and you're looking for a company that gives you pretty much the kit, or I would say a kit, so that you have all the tools that you need. The coupon code is natural05. That is NATURAL05. For 5% off their website, and I will leave the links of everything that I showed you guys if you guys are interested in any patterns or anything like that in the description box. And I will also leave the link for the cross stitch VIP website if you guys are interested in purchasing the same month. But other than that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.